Everyone, the case analysis is on Barilla SpA and Jasperi International Company application, and the presentation is submitted by Yashpal Ali and Amila from Group 2. Starts with the introduction of Barilla SpA. So, Barilla SpA is the Italian's world's largest food company that manufactures pasta. It started in 1875 with a small shop and renowned in 1990s. Barilla has 35% market share in Italy and 22% in Europe. The Barilla has two product line. One is dry and another one is fresh. So for the dry, Barilla produce 75% of dry products and 25% of fresh products. Apart from that, there are 200 of different types of pasta in different shapes and 472 SKU. So the Barilla distribution has three channels. The first one is small local shop, another one is supermarket chains, and third one is grocery store. Analyzing the case study of Barilla SpA, there were three key problems found in the Barilla SpA are as follow. The first one is distribution inefficiency. So there are a lot of factors which contribute distribution inefficiency in Barilla SpA, like trade promotion, transportation discount. Problem faced by Barilla SpA is operational inefficiencies. This is caused because of using bad forecasting, order batching, poor data analytics used by the Barilla SpA, lack of communication between retailer and distributor. Because of this, normally distributor use simple periodic review to order a stock, and every week a distributor order or place an order. This was the reason that because of these, the customers were not getting the things on time.
In this section, we are going to look at the solutions for the problems identified at Barilla SpA. Firstly, we'll look at overcoming the internal and external resistance in implementing the JITD process. Then we'll look at implementing a push and pull marketing strategy. Finally, we are going to look at introducing QR codes on product packaging. First, we'll look at overcoming internal and external resistance. With JITD program, Barilla management faced number of issues, both internal and external. One of the key issues identified earlier was the resistance from the sales force of the company and resistance from the distributors. Therefore, it is vital to convince the internal parties of the benefits of JITD before pitching it to the distributors. Companies should provide training and conduct workshops to create awareness of JITD process and short and long-term benefits and scope for growth opportunities to the sales force. They also should involve sales personnel in supply chain management decision process to obtain market insights and customer feedback. Companies should also look at changing the current compensation policy because supply chain management has been changed along with the JITD process. They should also look at giving bonuses on slow moving SKUs and percentage of the cost savings from JITD process to motivate the sales employees. Companies should implement the JITD process in their own distribution depots, and financial benefits and growth opportunities should be shown to the distributors to create credibility of the new process. In that way, they can pitch this process as a win-win proposition to the both internal and external parties. Next, we'll look at implementing push and pull marketing strategy. Barilla currently uses a push marketing strategy in marketing as they extensively use trade promotions to push their products to the retail distributor network. This strategy leads to inefficiencies and wastage both to Barilla and their distributors as highlighted earlier. Using a pull strategy alone will allow Barilla to manage its production based on customer demand while lowering its trade promotions to push stocks and improve its control over distributors. However, downside of this strategy is inability to meet rapid changes in demand, which can lead to stockouts like in the case of Cortez, Easter holiday stockout, loss of business and competitors grabbing a share of their business. In order to overcome this, it is recommended to implement mixed strategy of push and pull. This will allow Barilla to have greater control over the stock movements, while distributors too will have a leeway in negotiating for better deals. It will allow Barilla to forecast better based on customer demand, seasonality, and region to meet both regular demand and the sudden increase in demand. Finally, this solution will create a win-win solution for both parties. Finally, we'll look at introducing QR codes. QR code is one of the latest technologies that used to optimize supply chains. Barilla can use QR codes on all SKUs as well as the individual packaging to trace its location and other required details from warehouse to the end consumer. QR code technology will enable Barilla to integrate the stock management process more easily with their distributor network. Apart from location data, QR code can carry product information from sourcing to manufacturing, sustainability data, and other required data, which can be used for marketing as well. QR code technology is a much cheaper technology compared to technologies such as RFID, which requires separate computer system, scanning machine, and proprietary software, etc. QR code technology does not require any of those special infrastructure and can be integrated to distributors through APIs, and scanning can be done via smartphones and data can be uploaded to cloud via API solutions. This system will enable Barilla to easily integrate with distributor system and obtain real-time data on stock movements, thus prevent stockouts experienced by the distributors or errors such as slow-moving pallets, lost pallets at Cortez, and information errors at Kalinos.